guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, I'm Della and welcome. And I don't know about you guys, but I personally love a good contrast in makeup looks. And my favorite contrast to have in a makeup look is cute and sexy. That combination will just always eat and slay every single time. You get the best of both worlds. So today I'm gonna be creating a cute and sexy makeup look. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is throwing in some enlarging lenses. This is so important because this will add so much to the cute aspect because it'll make your eyes look more doll-like and just big and cutesy. So yeah, let's put these in. I'll be right back when they're in. Okay, so I just got in my contact lenses and you can already literally see that it just made me look cuter already. And now I'm just gonna move on to some quick color correcting with this Desique palette. I do have a lot of redness and acne that I want to cover up. Obviously, you don't have to color correct if you don't need to. I just need to. So I'm going to color correct the areas that I need to, and I will be back when I'm done with that. And now I have color corrected all of my blemishes, and I'm going to move into foundation. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I'm going to be using the spatula method for application to give it more of a skin-like finish. I'm just going to pump one pump onto my hand, get the brush, and just apply it to my face like this in thin layers. Then I'm just going to use this puffer blender to blend all of it in. And now I'm going to move in with concealer, and I'm going to be using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just going to put it into these placements. And then I'm just going to blend it in like this. Now I'm just going to apply powder to my face, and I'm going to be using the Kimchi setting powder in lavender. And I'm just going to be applying it in the areas where I think I need it. And now it is time for contouring. I'm going to be using this I'm Meme Afternoon Tea Frozen Choco palette. And I am going to just sculpt out my face pretty mildly today, just so I can kind of keep the roundness of it, like the fleshiness, the cuteness, or whatever, because rounder faces are considered cute, I guess. And then I will like define some other areas. Like I'm gonna define my forehead just a little, and then like the slightest bit on the cheekbone. Like that, and that's all I'm gonna do for the shaping. And for my nose contour, I'm just kind of rounding it out like this, and I'm not contouring the actual sides. And then I'm doing it under here, up here, and down here, like that. And now for blush, I'm gonna be using the I'm Meme Blossom Tea Blended Palette. And with any cute makeup look, I'm just plopping it on into the center of my face, like this. And then I'm also going to be putting it on my nose bridge, right there, and then underneath my chin. Like that. And there's the blush. I also kind of want this makeup to be like a bit more like on the elegant looking side. So cute, sexy, and elegant makeup. We got the full package here. And now for eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in shade Cool Ash Brown. And we're gonna go more cutesy on the eyebrows as well. And we're gonna make them more straighter, but they're still gonna have an arch. Just making them long, and then adding an arch towards the end of the eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna kind of soften up the color of the brows with this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in shade Blonde. Just gonna brighten up my brow hairs. Now it is time for the eyes, and we're gonna go for a more brownish, almost smoky eye look, because I feel like that just gives off sexy vibes. So first I'm gonna start off with my contour palette with these 3 shades. I'm gonna just plop them onto my eyelid, underneath my eyelid as well, just to make sure the shading is even. I'm also gonna kind of try to go for like a cat eye look as well. And I'm gonna use this amazing, gorgeous eyeshadow palette that Millie Fee sent me. They sent me their paintings eyeshadow palette collection, and literally the vibe, like all of them are like different paintings, which I literally love so much because I love art. And this one looks like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadows. And the one that I'm gonna be using is the Claude Monet. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. I'm going to use this shade right here. Like a very cool tone brown vibe. Like this. Then I'm gonna be getting this really dark brown shade here, and then just kind of putting it more outset proportion. Like that. And of course, to make our eyes more on the cutesy side, we're gonna make them look even bigger with adding under eye fat. And I'm just using this shade here to do that. Then of course, I'm going to just blend it out. Then of course, I have to add some sparkle back into the eye, so I'm just gonna use this sparkle here. Then I'm obviously going to be adding the same sparkle shade to the bottom of my eye. And obviously we're going to need a bolder eyeliner for this, so I'm going to be using the black liquid liner from Etude. And I'm going to try to draw more of a cat eye type eyeliner. We're doing it like that. And then obviously I'm going to tightline my eye with the Clio gel liner in black. And I'm just going to draw a little line on the bottom to accentuate my bottom lower lash line. And now for lashes, I'm going to be using these Idol lashes from 99 Dreams to add to the doll kind of look. And I'm just going to apply these lashes. There is one eye done. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, both sides are on, and now I'm just going to add on a little bit of mascara on top of it to make these lashes more prominent. Then I'm going to add mascara to my bottom lashes. Like that. Now I'm going to be lining my lips, and I'm going to be making them juicy today to give them a sexy vibe. I'm going to be using this Roman lipstick in shade 10. And this Etude Fixing Tint in shade number 14. Just in the middle. Like that. And then on top of that, I'm just going to throw some gloss to make sure my lips look very juicy. And then, of course, to give it a more elegant vibe, I am going to be adding some highlight, and I'm going to be using this Glint highlighter in shade Dewy Moon. And I'm just going to put it right here, leading up, like that. On the middle of my nose as well, my chin, and my brow bone. And this is the finished makeup look. I literally love this makeup style so much. It is literally just so cute and just perfect. Like, you literally get every element in one single makeup look. You get cute, you get hot, and you get elegant. Like, this is the makeup look, guys. When I'm in doubt, I do this makeup. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you guys try out this makeup look and then tell me what you think in the comments. And yeah, that is the end of this video. If you like this video and you want to see more of me and my makeup tutorials, make sure you subscribe, comment any other video ideas that you want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!